I'm Jillian Wilson with Wilson Associates in the Wilson Law Group.
And I'm Robbie Wilson with Wilson and Associates in the Wilson Law Group. In 2001, our father, Robert Wilson, established the Wilson and Associates Scholarship Endowment with the Arkansas Bar Foundation. The Wilson and Associates Ethics Scholarship is awarded each year to one or more law students at both law schools in Arkansas.
Beginning in 2019, our mother, Jennifer Wilson-Harvey, initiated the designation of a portion of the annual income to the Rural Access to Justice Fellowship at the UA Little Rock William H. Bowen School of Law. Each year, a rising 2L student is selected to spend the summer working in a fellowship in a rural area of the state. We are here today to talk with Finlay Ladd, the 2026 recipient of the Wilson Associates Rural Access to Justice Fellowship. We're so excited to see you.
Yes. My name's Finlay Ladd. I'm from Wynne, Arkansas. I did my undergraduate degree at Arkansas State University in Jonesboro. And here in just a few weeks, I'll start my 2L year at Bowen in Little Rock.
Love it. Thank you so much. So tell us a little bit about what inspired you to apply for this fellowship.
So I'm from a rural community, and part of what drove me to come to law school in the first place was the hope that one day I could go back and offer assistance and services to the people living there. And so when I found this opportunity, I thought it would be a great chance to get some firsthand experience at what it's like to work in a rural area over the summer.
That's awesome. So speaking of your summer fellowship, where are you currently employed for the summer with your fellowship? Tell us about it.
So I worked primarily for Judge Christopher Morledge,
Okay.
But I did also have the opportunity to work with Judge Danny Glover throughout the summer. Judge Morledge's office is in Forest City, but he serves the entire 1st Judicial District. So that's St. Francis, Lee, Monroe, Cross, Phillips, and Woodruff County.
Okay. What kind of cases did you see mostly?
Everything, yeah. He's a circuit judge, so
Okay.
just about anything but traffic citations.
That's awesome. All right. So can you tell us about what the most memorable experience or memory you have from the summer so far?
Yeah, I guess I encountered a lot of people this summer that really just had no idea about the services and assistance that was available to them at a discounted price or even for free. And so what really highlighted that for me was the few opportunities I had to assist them at the legal aid kiosk in the law library at the courthouse, finding documents or forms that they needed. And that really stuck out to me, I guess, over the summer.
That's great. Making sure people know what they have available.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Absolutely.
thank you for that.
Fantastic. Well, what did you notice about the barriers rural Arkansans face when trying to access legal help? And it sounds like you were talking about this a little bit, but expound upon what types of legal issues you saw most often.
Yeah, so the biggest barrier that I learned about, and it's something that countless people just said over and over again, was that there's a real lack of attorneys in these rural areas, especially younger attorneys. A lot of the people there are getting older, and there aren't very many people to replace them. I would say the most common legal issues that I saw were drug related. There was a lot of drug court, which was something I did not even know existed until this summer, but this special court where not only are they giving legal assistance to these individuals, but also helping them with addiction and other issues like that. And that's probably what I dealt with the most.
Yeah, that's fantastic. That's good to help with that. If you could share one message with other law students or future attorneys about serving in rural communities, what would it be?
Like I said, that there's a great need for legal work and legal professionals and experts in these rural areas. And it may not have all the glitz and glamour that working in a big city does, but you're able to really have a big impact on people's lives. And I think it's a really fulfilling and gratifying opportunity that they can take advantage of.
That's great.
Mm-hmm. How has your experience with your fellowship this year changed your personal career goals, or maybe what you had planned, or maybe it hasn't?
Yeah, so it has really cemented, I guess, this desire of mine to go back to Cross County one day and practice the law. And I guess something I learned was how important community is in practicing law. You know, everyone there is very eager to help each other out and lift each other up to make sure that these people are getting, you know, the best legal assistance that they can.
That's fantastic. Well, we very much appreciate everything that you've done. We're excited to continue to help with this scholarship. We hope that it was able to help you, and we look forward to what you're doing as you move forward in your career. And we hope that this continues to provide a good pathway for others to join in to raise the bar that we have for communities that need rural access. So we appreciate everything that you've done, and excited to hear about where you go in the future.
Yes, thank you all so much for the opportunity.
Thank you. We appreciate you.